They're not that low, right? Why is beast strong? I don't get it. Inner beast. Passive increasing attack speed. I don't know, you actually get it. $92 on DK, dude. That's 12 point something came more. Razor is also at least like 10.5 because he's primal. Getting solo. What's going on there? What? I think the issue is with these played wrong, like he's built wrong. People are still building Bloodstone, which is just wrong.
What the hell?
Overthinks he's angry. Firebender.
I own him up.
Wee. Look. Bah.
What?
Why did you open the door?
But they don't very much. That's good enough for that. Get something. The problem is it's not passive. Don't care. Yeah, I'm paper against eggs, primal. But yeah, again, last time with Gristle, we owned some. It wasn't a real test. This game, unironically, my team is so shit that it's unplayable. So, I don't know whether or not it's not like a real game, you know? It's too weird. Too weird of a game. Like, imagine if my DK was even closer to this. It goes 0-3-0. If he had like half the impact.
Okay, that was still killer.
And I think it was a first big beast, right? So, even crazier.
Oh, nah,
Yeah, it was.